Decision-making is the process of identifying and choosing alternatives based on the values and preferences of the decision-maker. There are several steps that can be followed when making a decision. 1. Identify the problem or opportunity. Clearly define the situation that needs to be addressed. 2. Gather information. Collect relevant data and information to support the decision-making process. 3. Consider alternatives. Generate a list of potential solutions or options. 4. Evaluate alternatives. Assess the pros and cons of each alternative and weigh the potential outcomes. 5. Choose an alternative, select the option that best aligns with your goals and values. 6. Implement and monitor the decision, put the chosen option into action and track its effectiveness over time. It's also important to consider the context and constraints of the decision, and to involve relevant stakeholders in the process. Additionally, it's important to be open to feedback and willing to adjust the decision if necessary. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Subscribe our channel. God bless you.